Good morning, dear students. We are going to start module 4 of the chapter Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. In this module, we are going to talk about the longitudes more. I have given the brief introduction of longitudes in the last module. So, now you are well versed that longitude is the angular distance of a place on the surface of the earth from in degrees from east to वेस्ट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द प्राइम मेरिडियन, यानी कि जो लॉन्गिट्यूड है वो प्राइम मेरिडियन के ईस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न साइड की तरफ एंगुलर डिस्टेंसेस हैं जो कि डिग्रीज में मेजर किए जाते हैं. देन लॉन्गिट्यूड लाइंस आर ड्रॉन अराउंड द अर्थ फ्रॉम नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. जो लॉन्गिट्यूड लाइंस हैं वो नॉर्थ पोल से लेके साउथ पोल तक ड्रॉ की जाती हैं. दैट मीन्स दीज आर द 2 पॉइंट्स जहाँ पर ये लाइंस मीट करती हैं. सो दे आर नॉट पैरेलल लाइंस, दे आर लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइंस. देन दीज सेमी सर्कल्स आर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ एंड आर नोन एज longitudes और meridians. Now let's more about the longitudes. Prime meridian, you can see in this picture I have shown the prime meridian. So prime meridian is the main meridian, right? Or you can say it is the reference line to measure east or the west distances on the earth. Prime meridian is the line which passes through the Greenwich near London and is considered as the starting point of meridians, right? Then prime meridian divides the earth into 2 hemispheres, that is the eastern and the western hemisphere. And what is a hemisphere? Hemisphere is half of the earth. That means half, and hemi means half and sphere means circle. So as our earth is also in a spherical shape, so our earth is also divided into 2 parts. Now let's more about the longitudes. That longitudes are the angular distance of 1 degree. We have already seen that they are drawn at the angular distance of 1 degree on the both sides of prime meridian. Then lines of longitude are also numbered from 0 to 180 degree on either side towards the east or the west of the prime meridian. यानी कि जो ये longitudes ड्रॉ किए जाते हैं, ये these are the imaginary lines basically, पर जो भी ये ड्रॉ की जाती हैं तो 0 डिग्री से 180 डिग्री ईस्टर्न से वेस्टर्न साइड जाती हैं, ईस्टर्न साइड की तरफ जाती हैं, और 180 डिग्री वेस्टर्न साइड जाती हैं, राइट. और एक जो लाइन है वो 180 डिग्री की लाइन है जहाँ पर ये मीट होती है, और वो जो लाइन है वो सेम रहती है वेदर इट इज़ ईस्टर्न और द वेस्टर्न लाइन, राइट. सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक इन दिस कि इन दिस देर आर लाइन्स. यहाँ पर 30 का डिफरेंस इसलिए दिखाया गया बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू ड्रॉ द angular distance of 1 degree on a paper. So 30, then you can see 60, then you can see 90 on both the sides. Either red side is the west side and blue side is the east side. That means this is the western hemisphere, red one, and the blue one is the eastern hemisphere. So you can see a black line in middle which is 180. So it doesn't denote any side. ये ना तो ईस्टर्न है ना ये वेस्टर्न है, यानी कि ये दोनों हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज़ द सेम लाइन. सो द मेरिडियन ऑफ 180 डिग्री ईस्ट एंड 180 डिग्री वेस्ट इज़ द सेम लाइन्स. हैंस देयर आर टोटल 360 मेरिडियंस. जैसे हमारे सर्कल को अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो देन इट कम्स एज 360 डिग्री in degrees if we divide it in future, right. You will get to know more about it. Now let's know more about the parallels and meridians, or you can say latitudes and longitudes. So a set of circles running from east or west are called parallels. ये हमको पता है. The imaginary lines that running from north to south are called meridians or the latitudes. They are also known as lines of latitude and they are also known as lines of longitude. In latitude, lines are located parallel to the equator and never intersect or meet. And meridians intersect at 2 places, जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, that on the north pole and the south pole. The first parallel is the equator, or you can say the reference parallel is the equator, which is 0 degree. and on green, and here the Greenwich is the prime meridian, or the prime meridian is the parallel which is taken as the reference, right? Then letter N and S are used to denote the location in the on the latitudes. If we talk about the longitude, then E and W are used to represent the direction. I hope this is very helpful for you. Thank you and have a nice day.